Hey, how you doing guys? It's Ilya Belly here. I do code and stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it, and this is called longest substring with at least k repeated characters. Find the length of the longest substring t of a given string consists of lowercase letters only, such that every character in t appears no less than k times. For example, we got 3 a's, so we just come up with this solution, right? We just return 3, k equals to 3. Right here we have 2 a's and 3 b's, so we just return 5 because we got like 2, we got k equals to 2, so we just have 3 b's and 2 a's. That's it. Well, we can solve this problem using just a sliding window approach. We have a window, and every time we try to increase this window, the size of this window, we move this window from left to right, and we do that n number of times, right? That's the basic idea what we will do in this problem. So go for it. Let's start. First we create an array equals to s dot to char array. We have characters from that string s. Also we create a dictionary. I would say frequencies equals to new integer 26, because there are 26 letters. We will be counting the frequency of each letter, which is appeared into that string s, right? We need to set up few variables. The first one is age, then I, j, index, minimum equals to, not minimum, maximum equals to 0, then unique, and no less than k times. We create a for loop, h equals to 1, h is less than or equals to 26, and h plus plus every time we increment this h by 1. Also every time we need to fill up these cells with zeros. We fill this array of frequencies with zeros. Unique no less than k, then that's right. I equals to 0, j equals to 0, unique equals to 0, no less than k equals to 0. We create a for loop while j is less than s dot length, right? We have 3 conditions here. The first one is when unique is less than or equals to h. The biggest number of letters you can come up with. Index, you can think about that this way, right? Index equals to frequency, not frequency, array at the position of j minus a, because of the ASCII table. You already know about that. And right here we check if frequency, right? If frequency at the position of index equals to to 0, then we need to increment unique by 1. That means that we ain't seen the current letter yet, and because we just saw the letter, we also need to increment its frequency, right? After that, we check if frequency, this frequency at the position of index satisfies this solution equals to k, then we increment no less than k by 1, and also increment j by 1. I to your left and j to your right. Yeah, that's how that works. Else index equals to array at the position of I. We do almost the same. We just release the current letter. We move your left pointer, which is I, to your right. We decrease the size of the window. So we just say if frequency at the position of index equals to k, then we are not able to come up with this solution anymore. So we just say no less than k minus minus, and right here we also need to decrement the frequency by 1 at the current letter, because we just solved it. We just decrement the frequency, and right here we have if frequency at the index of the current index equals to 0, we decrement unique by 1. We get rid of that previous letter, and right here we increment I by 1. And we have another condition, which is in the case when unique equals to h, as I said right off the bat. Like, you can think about that, like the biggest number of letters you can come up with, and also when no less than k equals to unique, you can calculate the length of this window, right? So just say maximum equals to math.maximum, the current maximum, and j to your right and I to your left. So in order to calculate the size of this window, we need to get the difference, j minus a. So we just say j minus j minus I mean j minus I. And finally you return the maximum. that's it. That's the whole problem. Let me check real quick. Any typos or something like that. As to char array, frequency, few variables, index maximum unique no less than k. Alright, arrays will disarray with the zeros every time. Unique no less than k. We are looking through this string. If unique is, then we increment by 1 and we increment that, then we come up with this solution. Else we decrement k by 1, we check. Alright, if equals to, yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's run this code. I know that works, but yeah, accept it. Let's submit. Here, run answer. Success. Good. There we go. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. I think I explained it good. What you think? Leave your comments below. That's pretty obvious what we are doing here. We use sliding window approach to calculate, in order to calculate the longest substring, right? And thank you, bye. I'll see you next time. Subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up. Follow me on social medias, on Instagram, on Snapchat. Wish you all the best.